friends, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to be decluttering my makeup. Oh my goodness, I feel like no matter how much I declutter my makeup, I need to declutter it some more. So I'm really glad that we are doing this video collab this week with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy. If you haven't heard of her yet, why are you like living under a rock or something? Head on over to her channel, LiveLaughLoveMommy, after you watch this and subscribe and like her video and share it because I'm pretty sure it's going to be awesome. So any hoodles, I have a ton of makeup that I need to declutter and I'm going to bring you guys along with me and I hope it motivates you to do the same. All right, let's get to work. All right, guys, so in this basket or tub, I have a bunch of like my larger eyeshadow palettes and face palettes and stuff I just didn't have in my makeup drawer set thingy. So I'm going to be going through a lot of these and just keeping my absolute favorites and then parting with the things that I can do without.
You're fearless, steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is.
This super long eyeshadow palette, I actually really love it. It's so fun and colorful and it's great pigments. I got it from Avon. Really cool. And then this is the Sephora bag I got from opening a JCPenney card. I don't need it. So all of these right here are things I'm going to donate so far. Now on to my face makeup drawer. I really like this face bronzer and highlighter. But as you saw earlier, I really like the Tarte one that I have, and I love that bronzer right there. So I just don't need as many as I have. So I can just definitely give away some that I just don't absolutely love anymore.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts.
Also, I have to think, I only have one face. I don't need this much makeup.
When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go, said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better.
Alright, you guys, so this is my eye makeup drawer. I'm not going to declutter all of it, or I'm going to declutter all of it, but I'm not going to show you guys all that because I don't want to bore you too much. So all of this right here is what I found in there that I want to donate. I'm sure there's more I could definitely donate, but that will be probably for another day. And now I'm going to be looking through my lip stuff. So this, you guys, I got from Walmart on clearance for 50 cents. Normally $4.97. It's a Rimmel matte liquid lipstick, and it's only 50 cents. So I actually kind of like it, so I'm going to keep it for sure. I don't need to keep all of these little sample things. That's just stuff that just takes up so much space that I'm not going to ever use, so might as well get rid of it.
Let's start again to a place a long time ago when I kissed your lips.
Alright guys, I know it's not much, but these right here I want to get rid of. And yeah, that is hair color stain on the table. But I'm going to take a magic eraser and get rid of it. And the lines you see on my hands, those are from me testing out eyeliners. So anyways, this is all the stuff I am going to donate. I'm very proud of myself because it's still quite a bit. And then this right here is a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick that I just don't use anymore, so I can get rid of too. Alright you guys, so this is all the stuff I am getting rid of. There's a ton of makeup in there. Yes, there is some sample stuff in here as well, because I know I have some friends and family that would probably like to use that. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. None of it's expired. Everything's good. I just don't use it as often as I do the other stuff. Sorry, I was wiping my hands off with my makeup on that. But yes, so this whole bag is going bye-bye. I am really excited and proud of myself. There's some things in there that I was second guessing myself on, like, oh my gosh, I really like that. It's really cute. I'd really love to use it sometime, but in reality, I'm not going to use it. So why hold on to it? Someone else can use it and yeah, get use out of it. So I'm going to have my daughter go through some of these because some things I do let her use, like mascara and stuff, and see what she wants, or lip gloss. And whatever she doesn't want, I'm going to let everyone else, my friends and my family that live over here. Also, I'm probably going to video chat my friend Stephanie who lives in Florida and see if there's anything in there that she wants as well. But yeah, I hope you guys can see. I feel like in the video it's not showing it as much. There's like tiny little things in here. So, I mean, there's a lot. I got rid of a lot, didn't I? I hope so. Give me a thumbs up, please. I need a thumbs up. Oh my goodness, I worked hard. Alright, you guys, I hope that was motivating. I hope that it was fun, and I think it's fun to look at everyone's makeup. So if you're out there and you like to look at people's makeup just because it's kind of fun and see what they like to use and what they have, then definitely let me know in the comment section below what your favorite piece of makeup you saw of mine was. And yeah, and definitely subscribe to me if you haven't yet, because I need some more friends. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come. And like I said earlier, head on over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy. After this, I will be putting a link in my description box below to go right to it. And also, and if you're coming from her channel, you haven't met me yet, my name is Siobhan. I am the Lazy Housewife, and I would love to have you join my friends here on YouTube. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye now.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright.